One of the products that we came out with was the P17 pistol. Now there's a particular part in the P17, probably the most complex CNC part of the P17, which is the bolt. One of our programmers kind of looked at the part and determined that the actual sizing of this would lend itself to a Eurotech Rapido. We went from 45 parts per shift on a single horizontal up to 185 parts. And the 180 parts per shift was on a single Eurotech run by a single operator that was able to attend other Swiss lathes. Especially for our products, the turn mill system is a very bright future for us because it kind of miniaturizes a lot of our in-house manufacturing processes.